Toyota Safety Sense, or TSS, is an advanced suite of active safety and convenience features that has undergone several enhancements since its introduction in 2016. And automatic high beams is among its key features. This video will provide a quick overview of how to adjust its various settings through the Settings menu in the multi-information display. Automatic high beams are designed to help drivers see more clearly at night while operating at speeds above 21 miles per hour. The system is designed to detect the headlights of oncoming vehicles and taillights of preceding vehicles, then automatically toggle between high and low beams accordingly. To activate the system, turn the headlights on or switch to auto and press the automatic high beam switch. The high beams can still be activated manually by pushing the headlight lever forward. Low beams can be activated manually by moving the headlight lever back to its standard position with automatic high beams turned off. That's a quick overview of how to adjust the various settings regarding automatic high beams. Each Toyota vehicle may differ slightly, so please refer to the owner's manual for specific system information. To learn more about Toyota Safety Sense, be sure to visit toyota.com/safetysense.